In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a Skype video call in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're reaching out to family, friends, or gearing up for a business meeting, Skype offers a very straightforward and user-friendly platform to connect with people from anywhere around the world through video calls. Let's dive right into the simple steps to get your video call up and running. First things first, you'll need to access Skype. To do this, go to the Skype website. Once you're there, you'll see an option to open Skype in browser. Click on that. It's a great feature that lets you use Skype without downloading anything directly from your preferred web browser. If prompted, sign in using your Skype account. If you don't have one yet, you'll get the option to create a new account, which is a quick and easy process. After you've signed in, the next step is to navigate to your chats. Chats are essentially the heart of Skype, where all your conversations are stored and organized. It's where you'll find the list of people you've previously connected with on Skype. Once in your chats, the next thing to do is click on the specific chat where you want to start a video call. This could be a one-on-one chat with a friend or a group chat for meetings or catch-ups with multiple people. If you haven't started a chat with the person you want to video call, you can easily search for them using the search bar and initiate a new chat. Now for the exciting part, starting the video call. In the top right corner of the chat, you'll notice a video call icon symbolized by a video camera. Clicking this icon will initiate a video call with the person or people in the chat. It's as easy as that. A few tips to ensure a smooth Skype video call experience. Make sure you're in a well-lit room and that your microphone and webcam are working correctly. This will ensure that the video and audio quality on the call are clear, making for a more enjoyable conversation. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making a video call on Skype. Whether it's for work, study, or just a casual catch-up, Skype makes it incredibly simple to stay connected with people wherever they are. Happy calling!